Welcome back, and this is video 6, where I will show you all how to properly disassemble the trombone. For starters, we need to make sure that the moisture is out of the instrument. This can be done by emptying the water key, located at the end of the slide. Gently push down on the water key, and all the moisture will fall out. Sometimes it even helps if you blow some air through it when the moisture key is open. Now that that's done, make sure that your case is on a flat surface so that it won't fall over when you're trying to put all the parts back in. We're going to start by taking the mouthpiece out of the mouthpiece receiver and cleaning it. Set your trombone down on a flat surface while you're doing this. The mouthpiece should always be cleaned with water, soap, or disinfectant. After this is done, put your mouthpiece inside the mouthpiece holder. In my case, the mouthpiece holder is just on the side here. I'm going to open it up and set my clean mouthpiece inside. Next, I'm going to take the two parts of the trombone and loosen this by this little bolt right here. Twist it counterclockwise until it is loose and pull the two pieces of the trombone apart. Take the bell in one hand and put it inside the holder where the bell goes. Make sure it's strapped in if your case comes with straps. Next, take the slide and make sure that the slide lock is twisted on so that the slide will not fall off. Set the slide inside the slide part of the case and strap it in if your case has straps. Next, shut your case and make sure it is done up all the way so that it's protecting your instrument from any potential damages. Now you're all ready to go.
Taking care of an instrument can be a big responsibility, but remember, do not use gum or chew candy when you play the instrument. Remember to never place a trombone down on a chair or stand it on the bell. Brass is very fragile and can be dented very easily. Always place the trombone on a flat surface when you're not using it with the slide lock on. Remember to wipe down the trombone using a microfiber cloth or any kind of soft cloth. Never use polish on the instrument as this could damage it as well. Do not pop the mouthpiece with your hand, and always remember to give it a slight twist into the mouthpiece receiver. This will make sure that when you take it out, it doesn't become stuck in the instrument. Now I'm going to share with you guys some tips for success while playing the instrument. Remember to never let someone else try your instrument. Your instrument is your responsibility, therefore you should be the only one playing the instrument. When you're finished playing each time, make sure you put the instrument back in the case on a flat surface. Treat your instrument with respect. Bumping it or banging the instrument into things can cause dents or even cracks in the instrument. Remember to only place it in the case when you're done with it. Always assemble your instrument correctly and with care. Position your fingers correctly to make sure that you do not let go of the slide, and always keep in mind that the slide lock can be used to make sure that the slide does not fall off when you're moving the instrument. It's always a good idea to stretch your arms and drink lots of water before, during, and after playing your instrument. In the beginning, some people may experience dizziness because they're not used to breathing. You guys are well on your way to a great sound, and I hope these videos helped you. Please continue to practice, follow these steps, and I'm sure you guys will be on your way to becoming great trombone players. Thank you.